Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard in Spring Hill, Florida, and I am going to sacrifice this painting for an experiment because it's not doing anything for me, and I want to find out what gold and black will do together. And I think I'm going to use my tri-tip bottle and start that way. If they'll come out. Come on out. Okay, I get two. I'm not going to be able to do that. Never mind. So I got to put some stripes all together with some gold, and this may or may not work, is what I'm thinking, but I really want to see if I can make it work. So I'm going to grab a small edge catcher and see if, because the canvas is dry, I can somehow blend the black and the gold on there. Maybe with a little help from my skewer right at the moment. So it's not the best, it's not the worst, it's the first try. I'm not hating on it. Put a little more black right there. I don't need to annihilate the whole painting for sure. I don't need a sharp point on my skewer, so whatever I've got is going to work fine. I'm going to pick a new spot. And try and create a new method. See how that goes. I might just wind up liking one of these designs without worrying about anything else. Or I might discover exactly what I'm after. You cannot tell without experimenting. The gold is swallowing the black, but it's also leaving some interesting patterns. Let that go down all over the side. I want some more black in here. And I think I will help it along by a little gold as well. I don't think it's going to hurt anything at this point anyway. I'm going to take my drips and, pun intended, run with them. Fill in a couple little spaces with my fingers. I guess I won't really know till tomorrow, but I am going to keep trying. And I think I'm just going to get more and more irreverent to see what happens. And any gold that I let run off I can use again. Any gold and black, I mean. And maybe once I have a puddle of black and gold like that, maybe I can also, because if I swipe it, it's going to create cells, which is not the end of the world. I mean, I love black and gold cells. Gotta remember to leave my edge catcher where I can catch some paint. I would like to make this painting into something cohesive, and I'm not sure how that's going to work. Especially while I'm still playing. But I don't think having something with a lot of black and gold in it is going to be the end of my world either. I'm just going to let that go all the way around. It's pretty warm out here, so paint is very fluid right now. I love the designs that's making. I really do. Just going to use my thumbnail to herd some of that paint down. Makes me want to go ahead and use some of my orange some of my gold with orange in it. Because I can. I've also got other colors, and since I'm experimenting with this, and I don't think I'm really accomplishing all that much of what I was intending to do, but I am accomplishing having some fun, which is never a bad thing and always a good thing to accomplish, honestly. So there's some of that blue. I think I'm going to combine it with some of my Color Shift turquoise. When I say that blue, I mean the Modern Masters Venetian blue, and that's not open. Oh, and it's not opening when I'm squeezing on it, so I'm going to have to put a skewer in there and peel out my plug and hope that it is open. Come on. There we go. I got it this time. I don't think I was using much of this color when I did this. And I think I'm just going to have some fun putting paint where I want to. And I could blow it around. I want some more of that dark. That Venetian blue is just stellar. And I haven't used any of this lighter purple today, not to be confused with that purple over there, which is the Folk-Art Color Shift in purple. Now I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paints, so if I want to leave my ribbons as they are and leave them thick, I can do that. I'm just going with the flow. This is instinctivism at its best or its worst, whatever. Except for I should always check my straw. I suppose if I get to the point where I want to tip it all, I can do that. I'm going to just throw some dots in there and see what's going to happen. I actually like dots and things. I definitely like watching them run too. Got some great cells. I think I could put a little black enamel right in that orange and see what happens. Can I? Maybe I cannot. Well, I'm not used to the hot weather. And pretty soon, whoa, and pretty soon we're going to have a little cold snap again. It's going to be in the 70s. Brrr! I know, it's so strange to be wimpy. Once you've been in Florida for a few years. Oh, I like that. This is just an idea about what you can do with what you've got, and I don't see a problem with that. I'm pretty sure you can't annihilate that black enamel. It's going to come through no matter what. Kind of want some Anita's white metallic. And I had an awfully good time yesterday adding some black to that and seeing what would happen. Knowing full well that if you want cells, that is definitely a way to get them. And that blue and that color shifting purple work the same exact way. So I'm thinking I'm going to do some more of that right here. Because I can. That's the name of my first book. It's on the Amazon link. That's shown as a blue link under Show More under the video. If I go too far, I'm going to lose the stuff I really liked. I've got some... Yes, I think this is what I want right here. I'm just having a good time playing. I don't mind whatever I get out of this. And I kind of like the shape of those ribbon dribbles. You know what I'm missing? I'm missing my magenta, which will make me really happy to have some of that in there. Not that it will come out necessarily. Ah, I got something. Oh yeah, no, that's it. Magenta's going to do it for me. Even though I'm still dragging a little literal paint skin tag. I'm always afraid of squeezing these bottles too hard and telling people to be careful where they buy their bottles. Because if you find a bottle that you have to squeeze too hard, then at some point in time you're probably going to wind up with all your paint from that bottle in your artwork. It's happened. It'll happen again. Just blowing lines around, thinking about what this might turn out to be next. Picking colors that make me happy. Wishing all my bottles were still open and wondering if they'd stay open if I were inside. Whoops. I just got a hellacious amount of that. But I'm not really going to complain. I think that that's pretty cool, actually. Leave the eye on the other side. I'm kind of thinking, no, I can't use that. I definitely don't want to destroy everything that's there. And I do want to keep using, just come on out, just a little bit of that enamel. I like quite a bit of what I'm seeing, but I'm not thinking I'm done yet by any stretch. It's like bowling over here. If I hit one bottle, they're all going down. Come on. Join the party. I could actually throw chain in there and be pretty happy about it too. I wonder if I can just twist my spatula and make some more organic forms. I think I might be almost done, in which case I should tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I used to give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I will again as soon as the World Health Crisis is over. I love you guys. And I am a lot happier with the balance that I'm finding in this now. I'm actually sort of just happily following my instincts. That's the explanation I use on my Instagram tag, instinctivism. I want a little more orange right here. Right over the edge. And I'm liking it. I'm liking it more than I thought I would. And I'm almost done with it. I don't know what anybody else thinks of this, but I'm happier with it than I was with what it was. And I'm going to have to peel that tag off the side. There's a price tag on it. That's so funny. From a very long time ago. Maybe a couple more little dots of orange here and there. You don't have to use any particularly pointed or dull end of the skewer. Matter of fact, this one seems to have a little tag of paint on it. I am stealing some of that orange and sticking it right into that black. Letting some of that orange go down over the side. There we go. That's my 2-minute warning to tell you guys that I do sell my artwork, and I already did that. So if you want to share my videos, or if you'd like to help me out, you could watch the videos longer. That's always a huge help. That's what tells the YouTube algorithm to give me better placement. I love you guys. There's 86,000 of you subscribed. If you're not getting subscriptions, please join us. That'd be great. If you're not getting notifications, check your notifications. That is not coming out anymore. Again. So I must not supposed to be able to use that. And I'm just going to keep having some fun for a minute. Because as long as I like the colors and the shapes, I'm a happy girl. So what else should I tell you guys? I have 1,310 videos, and you can find them organized. If you go to my channel, you can find playlists. Look for created playlists and find them organized by the 100 and also by the genre. Like abstracts, like this will be. Or orbs, or escapes, or geometrics, or swipes. They're all there. I like those little black dots. I kind of wanted more of them. And you guys are going to be gone in a second. Check out Facebook. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for somebody who is interested to see what I've been posting to fineartamerica.pixels.com. You can use the Shop Now button. It'll take you right there. And I'm going to black dot myself to heaven, I think. Because I did this with gold the other day, and I really liked the result. I got 1 minute left, so whatever I remember to tell you is good. I've got 2 books on the Amazon link. I'm not super thrilled with what I just did, but I don't think it's a problem if I just add some gold. Yep, much better. I don't even think I even need to run the skewer through it. Although I can. Thank you for sharing my videos. Check Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for tomorrow's video if you are so inclined. Usually the night before. And thank you for joining me. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, I'm just going dotty. Basically. Not that I wasn't always, because I'm kind of dotty. You guys take care of yourselves. Binge watch, would you? If you feel like it. Might help me out, and I appreciate it. And there's a look on the end screens for the exhibition video. You're gone.